Hi, my name is Amanda from Hair by Amanda Blass, and today I'm going to teach you how to create a half up, half down boho style using ClipHair clip-in extensions color 9613. Okay, so to get started, we are going to take a section of hair from the back and create a topsy-turvy. To create a topsy-turvy, you take a section of hair from the left, a section of hair from the right, elastic it, and then you take that tail and you tuck it right through the pony. So now you pull out that section nice and big, and then we're going to create a second topsy-turvy right below our first. So you create the same steps again by taking a section of hair from the left, a section of hair from the right, elastic it, and then tuck that pony right through. Pull that pony really tight so that it sits snugly underneath your first topsy-turvy, and then you pull out the section so it has that big boho free fill. Okay, so now that we have created our topsy-turvies, we are going to take a section of hair from the left and twist it. So you take that hair and you twist it to the right, and then you pull it out nice and big and secure it under your last topsy-turvy. We now do the exact same thing on the opposite side. Take a section of hair from the right, twist it to the left, pull it out nice and big, and then secure it tightly underneath your last twist. We now have finished our crown section for this style, and we are going to create a hanging fishtail slightly off center to the left. So take the section of hair that you want braided and start your fishtail braid. To create this fishtail braid, take a small section from the left and cross it to the right, and a small section from the right and cross it to the left. You work with these same two sections all the way down the length of the hair. Pull it out nice and big to the desired length so that it does have that beautiful boho big free feel, and then secure everything once you are completely done, making sure your midsection is nice and tight with bobby pins, but pulled out as big as possible so it has that boho half up, half down feel, and now you are complete.